Today we're going to create a MySimpleShow. Go to the website and then log in using your Google account. That should pop up. When you click on it, you will have to allow access, and you're ready to create your first video. So click on Create and you'll name your project with your first and last name and then the type of advertising you'll be covering. You'll choose Write Your Own Script and scroll down to a blank template. Under the Structure Your Thoughts, we're going to click out of that and we're going to enter your text. Again, here you're going to put your first and last name and then your block number and the type of advertising which you are doing. In the second box, you're going to explain what advertisers do when they're using the style of advertising which you've been assigned. Finally, in the last block or two, you're going to explain a commercial that you've found on YouTube that uses the style of advertising that you've been assigned. You'll say what happens in the commercial and why that's that style of advertising. Once you finish that, you're going to go on to choosing your visuals, and you can X out of the pop-up that comes through. So what MySimpleShow does is it takes your words and, sort of like with predictive text, it decides what words are keywords in what you've said, and then it chooses some kind of an image to go along with that. Now you can change these things. For example, in this one right here, I don't necessarily think blocks are the greatest representation of what I'm trying to do. So I'm going to highlight this and change it with that sign right there. Once I've designated that as a keyword, it's going to allow me to change this right here. Now nothing else comes up, but I can type in a word that I think is suitable, and it will look that word up and find something else. So I think this is more appropriate for the word bandwagon, so I'm going to use that. And I can make it larger by going into the edit mode and doing that right there. Make sure you always hit the check mark, otherwise it will lose it. I'm going to get rid of this one because we really only need one word for that. And I can do the same thing for everything down here. So you'll notice that these have a lot of the same images. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to try to change or update each thing to represent what I'm saying a little bit better. So in the commercial for Dr. Pepper, we have the doctor and we have the actor, dances and singing. I don't really want peppers here, so what I'm going to do is, since it's a drink, I'm going to put in and see if I can get something that looks more like a soda. Now I can have up to 7 images, so if I can find something else to add, maybe make it a little bit better. And let's see, we've got once you've chosen all your words and rearranged everything the way you want it, you can go to Choose Audio, but we're going to X right through that because we don't actually have the ability to change any of the audio with our free thing. And then just hit Finalize Video, Finalize, and it should give you a link that you will then be able to upload to Classroom. In addition, it should email you a copy of the link when it is done. But here's the link right here. You'll copy that and post it in Classroom.